This one is getting a new fender, 2 new doors, and then repair on the quarter panel. I need to bring this all out. Fitting and lining up good.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona.
So this is 3M cavity wax. You take this wand and it sprays in a 360-degree spray at the end, and it protects the inside of this from corroding where there might be any bare metal, or it'll seep in all the seams. Always want to hose this inside of anywhere where you welded or anything like that. Alright, on to my next victim. I have a Chevy Malibu here. This one is getting a new fender, 2 new doors, and then repair on the quarter panel. The door stuffed all of this area right here. So I'm going to go ahead. It's going to take some tabs. I'm going to have to weld a tab on here to pull that out, and I'll probably have to put one right here as well, a wider one, to bring all that out. So this one's actually in far enough that it actually bulged out the wheelhouse inside of here. Alright, so I went ahead and put this door back on there so I could see how it's lining up, and it looks like I need to bring this all out a little more. So I went ahead and welded a tab on here. I'm going to make a pull on this and bring that out a little more. So I ended up having to put another tab on here. Wasn't moving like I wanted it to. Alright, I got both of these doors all fit up. They're fitting and lining up good. Nice gaps across the back there. And I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do the fill work, and I'm going to dive into the next one. Alright, just a quick one here. A Honda Pilot, it's getting a new bumper cover and a few parts on the bumper. And then a hood repair right at the front edge right here. Knock this out real quick.